I spent a week or so trying to find easier ways to be able to enjoy Tonkotsu Ramen at home, without having to spend the entire day making it, because no one has that much time for free. A good alternative to cut down time is with a pressure cooker. When you cook on the stove, breakdown and emulsification is happening all at the same time. But using a pressure cooker actually separates the two. Under pressure, bones are being broken down while uncovered allows rolling boil to emulsify the fat. 2 to 3 hours give or take, but you will still have to soak and pre-boil. There is no way around that. Once you have placed the bones into the pressure cooker with enough water to cover it, let it cook on high heat, open until it reaches a boil, and then cover it for an hour. Once that's done, you can either fast release or let it naturally release. But in the spirit of cutting time, make sure to stir the inside of the pot. Cook it uncovered for 1 hour, and if you do plan to add aromatics, add 30 more minutes. And stir. You can actually cook for longer, it just depends on how much broth you want, which means you might have to refill. Once you're satisfied, strain the broth, and if the fat hasn't emulsified, you can use an immersion blender. Or if you're like me, you can just use a blender. 1 minute on your highest setting. I would personally say this broth is good enough for the amount of time that you spent on it, but what if that takes too long for you? The next solution would be instant broths. I found this one from 99 Ranch and this one from Mitsuwa, and they're solid. The best part is that you don't have to add tare or aroma oil for flavor, it's already seasoned, but you do have to get the noodles separately. Yeah, I know, why not just instant ramen? So I did. I tried a couple instant ramen like this one, and this one. These ones were the ones I found to be the best for your buck. I know, there are more instant ramen out there like the one from Ichiran, but that's like $40. And if you want to find more instant ramen recommendations, make sure to check out this page. All in all, I'm sure there are easier ways to get around it, but nothing will beat broth made from dedication. You can really taste the difference.